tracks today.
Yeah, falling into love hurts just as much as falling out of it. But I'll scrape my knees and scar my shins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you. Or maybe we could be a Romeo and Juliet, except without the age difference, and we can forget the death. Cause this is love at first sight, there's no doubt in my mind. And darling, forget about the time, cause you're mine. And I'll spend every second chilling with you. Like this, that vintage Nickelodeon innocence love. Innocence the type of if we fight, let's chill and make up. You're one in a million pay stubs, but to me, you're like a lottery. There's a lot of fish in the sea, but you're a catch that's so startling. Baby, I know that there's a lot to do, it's awful too. And in your past, there's a lot to chew. I'll buckle up, like your burden's a weight to carry, but it lessens at a steady rate. And I'll be by your side, like your phone pocketed on second dates. Honestly, I just want some acknowledgement for confidence and compliments, but maybe I'm not hitting the dot, but I'm still taking my shot. I'ma practice and go again, and you can show me around, and you can even will your friends. Like I know that they'll be talking with their dissonant whispers, but shiver me timbers if they can rock the relationship. Do you know who you playing with? I'm feeling like Midas, but you was gold to begin with. I didn't help in the slightest day.
The suppression, the use of marijuana.
Good.
Grandazo.
Esto es lo que hemos tenido que hacer todos los días, weón.
Y tú ves esto donde dice la parte financiera con los rascacielos.
Muy bonito.
Y hay otro lugar. ¿Por qué no hacemos un podcast?
Она его вывозит. Он переживает. Вылечивается, возвращается в Киев на службу. Уже не вернулся. Там ясно было, что соседнюю деревню. А там приехали из Запрыщи, когда вы бите. Там операции, без материалов, без всего, просто не успевают подвести ночью на кухонном столе под светом.
В итоге они приехали.
¿Streaming? No, no te stream now. Pensaba que estaba en vivo. Placa, ¿no? Wow, qué bonito lugar.
Ahí puedes, ahí en el menú ese que te quieres, el buffet.
Vamos por acá abajo. Estaba lleno.
Ya.
Estaba llenecito. No.
Era para acercarse a ella, por favor. Un Porsche bonito. Es un Ferrari, Lamborghini. Lamborghini.
Se mueve un poco por acá.
Sí, el viento, el viento. El viento lo está moviendo. Muy buena toma. No importa eso. Toca un poquito más arriba, pero está bien. ¿Sabes qué? El GPS ha mejorado.
Sí, a mí también me ha mejorado.
El GPS ha mejorado. ¿Sabes qué? O sea, ponerlo así. Ahí sí.
Yeah. Falling into love hurts just as much as falling out of it. But I'll scrape my knees and scar my sins. I hope you never doubted that I'm down for you. Wanna hit the town, make it loud, be a clown for you. Or maybe we could be a Romeo and Juliet, except without the age difference, and we can forget the death. Cause this is love at first sight.